So I think it's very clear on how good we are at getting the Land Rover Defender stock that one, no one else can get, but two, that everyone wants. This particular one comes into a great price point. We usually have some that are slightly more in price, but this just sits in a really nice price point, and I think it'll appeal to many. It is VAT qualifying, being very well maintained, 73 plates on manufacturer's warranty for the remaining of the 3 years, and it's done just over 7,000 miles. Finished in Eiger Grey, it's a D250, so nice power. If you are going to use it for towing and work, that's what they are built for. It's also got the black pack on it, so it's just been very well thought of. So black badges, you've also got the LED surrounds. Those LED headlights, they're the premium LEDs, and it's also got the cold climate pack. So it has the washers, but they're also heated. Gives you more features on the interior as well. Eiger Grey for me is just a really nice bright grey. Instead of it being like a dull and dark, it's quite fresh. You've got the black bonnet accents. You've got the wheel arches as well as a contrast. 19-inch chrome multi-spoke alloys. You've also got all-terrain tyres as well, again in great condition. Colour scheme just continues throughout them, fixed side steps, and you've got that darkened rear as well. Very well planned, very well thought together and in great condition, not to mention obviously the price. Then we get to the back. So you've got full size, spare, you've also got electronic deployable tow bar. So two good things with that. One is the cost. If you've tried to buy one through Land Rover before, you'll have an idea on how expensive they are to buy. And then you've also got the ease as well. So it's already fitted, already ready. It's literally the push of a button, tow bar goes away. So if you don't have a use for that, you don't need to worry about it. Push of a button, it disappears. What you'll also notice, which is slightly different on this one compared to the rest, the bulkhead has been removed, so it just makes that car a lot brighter on the interior. That was the reason the customer did it. But for me, with a VAT qualifying Defender like this, they're perfect for running Monday to Friday through a company and using it for work. Then if you have weekend activities with the dogs, hobbies, whatever it is, that space is just perfect to use for bikes, activities, whatever you need to use. And they obviously look the part as well. Interior, it's got some nice bits on it, so the fixed side steps help you get in and out. The cold climate pack also gives you a heated steering wheel, and that steering wheel is leather, so they don't usually come with a leather steering wheel. This one has one. You've also got that centre armrest, which for me, if you've been in a Defender that doesn't have one of them, it does make a huge difference. Jump in, then you've got all of the Defender spec and tech that you'd expect as standard. You've got that nice digital display. Again, the mileage just over 7,000 miles. Your tablet light screen here gives you everything from your navigation, your Apple CarPlay, also, which is a biggie, is your rear view and aerial view camera. Dual zone climate control, and you've got all the different techie bits that you would use on the Defender if you want to put it through what it's capable of doing. This is a four-wheel drive that is capable of doing or being used as a utility vehicle if you wanted it to. It's a car that a customer is very well known to as a very reputable business person who's used it for what they use for, just as a leisure vehicle basically, because you've got all the capabilities that you would need, but then you've got that Land Rover feel to it as well. So if you are looking for a Land Rover Defender that's in a particularly good price point, a little bit cheaper than what we usually sell them, this will definitely tick the boxes for you. So if you are interested, contact myself. My name's Paddy, my number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.